Today's price of Shiba Inu is increasing. People are enthusiastic, and the air is replete with happiness. Massive information regarding the Shiba Inu is disclosed by an insider. Movements of considerable magnitude are imminent. Satoshi Kusama has recently disclosed unexpected information. Excited individuals are present. Also, it is scheduled to occur within the next 3 days. Why is this happening? Why am I even discussing this matter? Okay, allow me to elaborate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. It is a day of satisfaction for the Shiba Inu society. There has been a slight increase in the price of Shiba Inu in the past 24 hours, which has sparked some exhilaration. This minor upward movement demonstrates a new surge of energy from its enthusiastic community, which is further fueled by the thrilling projects that are currently underway within its ecosystem. With an emphasis on more than mere bluster, the Shiba Inu is methodically establishing itself in the crypto world. People are encouraged by the team's commitment to functionality and a long-term goal, which is fostering optimism for the future. However, the following is a point that you may find useful. A massive announcement was recently made by a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, and it has sparked widespread discussion. A bold prediction was made by Coin that Shiba Inu could possibly hit $1. They elicited significant enthusiasm within the Shiba Inu community by making a bold prediction that the price of Shiba Inu could increase by more than 4 million% in order to achieve that elusive benchmark. Following a referendum conducted by Coin on X, which compared a number of ambitious crypto milestones, this prediction was made. The participants were requested to determine which cryptocurrency price target was likely to be reached first. The Shiba Inu's elevation to $1 was the most daring of these, primarily due to the substantial increase it would necessitate. Currently, the Shiba Inu is traded for a mere fraction of a cent. Therefore, in order to reach $1, it would need to multiply its worth by many millions. Visualize the potential of a modest investment to generate millions of dollars if that were to occur. Although this may seem unfathomable, it is important to acknowledge that the Shiba Inu has previously astounded the world with its exorbitant growth. It experienced a remarkable increase from nearly nothing to a significant amount, resulting in the wealth of a few early investors. However, is it likely to reach $1 in the near future? Dilemma. In order for that to occur, Shiba Inu's market capitalization would have to surpass all previous records, extending far beyond the entire world's economy. Consequently, it appears to be very unlikely in the near term. Even some experts believe that the Shiba Inu has the potential to reach $1, but this may not occur until 2050, following years of consistent growth and adoption. In spite of the fact that this is a considerable distance away, it demonstrates that the long-term promise of the Shiba Inu is still being closely monitored. In spite of the skepticism, this community remains optimistic, observing the ecosystem's gradual evolution. A significant amount of interest and enthusiasm has been generated within the Shiba Inu community as a result of this prediction. In addition, an increasing number of analysts are now contributing their perspectives on the potential increase in the value of Shiba Inu between 2025 and 2030. Forbes is among the most prominent figures to contribute to the discussion, as it has established prospective price ranges for the Shiba Inu in the future. Although the Shiba Inu has experienced numerous ups and downs, particularly in light of the market's volatility, it remains a significant issue. There is still a significant amount of curiosity regarding its potential for growth, as Forbes observed. Several months ago, Forbes stated that experts were monitoring Shiba Inu's performance through 2024. Himanshu Meridia, the proprietor of an enterprise blockchain company, was one of the experts who discussed the speculative nature of meme currencies like Shiba Inu. Nevertheless, he predicted that Shiba Inu could potentially experience a 3 to 12-fold price increase in 2025 if the ecosystem continues to expand and the market conditions are favorable. Another expert provided his own perspective, stating that the Shiba Inu could experience a 39% increase in price or a doubling of its current price by 2025, while still demonstrating some growth, provided that the appropriate regulatory and technological advancements are made. In addition, Forbes stated that Shiba Inu could experience a more than twofold increase in value if the market stays favorable. However, a decline in the overall crypto market could result in its reversal. Beyond 2025, the outlook for Shiba Inu is primarily speculative but positive, with some anticipating that Shib will continue to expand over the next few years. Forbes even speculated that its value could increase by 56% by 2026 and more than double by 2029. The most expansive forecast was for 2030, when the Shiba Inu could possibly trade at a rate 6 times greater than it does at present, indicating long-term potential if conditions are favorable. All of this is consistent with the present state of Shiba Inu, which is characterized by a high level of enthusiasm within the community as a result of the expanding interest in the environment and the ongoing initiatives. Despite the current state of uncertainty, the prospect of Shiba Inu's continued expansion in the coming years is certainly inspiring individuals to remain optimistic. You may be pondering, however, what could be the real cause of this increase in Shiba Inu numbers? Well, it appears that Bitcoin is also experiencing a slight recovery. Lately, Bitcoin's price has rebounded and regained the 104,000 level, thereby initiating a V-shaped recovery after declining to approximately 102,000. The market as a whole is encouraged by this rebound, as Bitcoin frequently serves as a catalyst for other cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu. However, this is the pivotal point. The adoption of cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, appears to be increasing on a daily basis. A measure has been proposed in North Dakota to allocate a portion of the state's funds to the purchase of Bitcoin and other coins. The significance of this is immense. North Dakota, the 19th largest state in the United States, is attempting to diversify its reserve money by incorporating Bitcoin, a clear indication of the increasing confidence in the digital currency sector. This action is being advocated by the state's legislators in order to safeguard the state's funds, as they have observed the impact of inflation on the worth of the cash in their reserves. As a reserve of value, they are of the opinion that Bitcoin could provide some stability and protect the Treasury's funds. This proposition is the most recent in a developing pattern of states in the United States that are currently contemplating the adoption of Bitcoin. It demonstrates that an increasing number of individuals are recognizing the potential of this technology. Well, Shiba Inu is a component of this broader digital currency ecosystem. A cascading effect is observed in the entire market as Bitcoin and other main cryptocurrencies continue to acquire traction. The potential for growth of the Shiba Inu can only be positively impacted by increased adoption, awareness, and confidence in crypto. The increased curiosity and investment in cryptocurrency are expected to provide a significant boost to the Shiba Inu and its community, particularly in light of its expanding ecosystem and ongoing projects. As crypto becomes more prevalent, there is a possibility that coins such as Shiba Inu could gain momentum. And this is where the craziness begins. Recently, Lucy, a well-known member of the Shiba Inu Society, disclosed some significant information. Lucy provided step-by-step instructions to assist individuals in obtaining the token at no cost, thereby increasing its appeal. This information only serves to intensify the enthusiasm within the Shiba Inu enthusiast community. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's ongoing development, in conjunction with the anticipation for the treat, has generated a stir that has the potential to increase interest and potentially increase the value of the Shiba Inu. The potential for a significant influx of investors to return to Shiba Inu is significant. Indeed, a statement that was recently shared on Twitter by a renowned analyst that garnered significant attention. He merely stated, "Reminder, to not sleep on your Shiba Inu." His point is that Shiba Inu remains a formidable force in the cryptocurrency world, regardless the ups and downs. In light of the numerous thrilling advancements that are currently taking place within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the analyst is urging individuals to not disregard its potential. The Shiba Inu community is currently abuzz with energy, and the recent positive updates, in addition to the anticipation for the reward, are only increasing the enthusiasm. Analysts' attention to this matter serves as a reminder that Shiba Inu has the potential to grow in the long term. Investors may wish to reevaluate their stakes as the token continues to develop. Major developments within the Shiba Inu environment, in conjunction with the increasing adoption of crypto, are contributing to the community's optimism for a promising future. Therefore, it appears that the trend is only increasing for those with an interest in the Shiba Inu coin. However, where do you stand on this matter? Comment down below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.